Hi friends, welcome to my channel Training Together. Uh, Today I am here making this video to share with you all an observation which I have seen or observed in the markets. So let us just get into the video. So this is a Nifty chart, a Nifty daily chart which we are seeing. Today is 22nd June, and as on date we know that the markets are at the levels of 10,300, and considering the Indo-China war, which is likely not to happen, and number of cases of corona increasing daily, and since the top of the market, that is the recent tops 10,300, has already been broken twice. If you see here, already broken twice. uh, many of uh, Many people are bearish about the market. They might be correct as well, but however, I wanted to show an observation which I have made. If you see, there is a kind of wave which is getting formed here. You see, of course the market, it's always a wave in the market, but this is something which I have observed, that the bottoms that are forming are all, bottoms are higher every time they are formed. So if you see the first, see, this is one bottom. Wait a minute. This is one bottom, the second being here. See, the bottom, the previous bottom is higher than the bottom formed before that. Similarly, if I mark, let me just change the color so that it is clearly visible to you. So if you see these are the peaks of the wave. So this is one, and the second being this, which are there. So if you see the peaks, the gap between these two, this is one and this is two, is somewhere around 450 points. And seeing the trend in which the wave is getting formed, if I am not wrong, by end of June or by early July, the new top of wave would be somewhere around another 450 points from the current levels, that is 10,350 plus another 450, it's somewhere around 10,800. So this is the level which I am expecting that should be formed, uh, considering the way the markets are moving, since all the negativity which is there in market has already been factored, because Indo-China war was already expected. Though it is not happening, the probability of that is already factored into this. Number of cases of corona is increasing, but however, the market fell down not because of coronavirus. It is, yeah, of course, it is indirectly because of coronavirus, but it was not because of coronavirus. It was the lockdown which was imposed because of coronavirus. So all the negativities are already been factored into the market, or has already been absorbed by market. So I don't think there are any lows which are getting formed. So friends, if I'm not wrong, this is the new highs which we should be reaching soon. So this was the observation which I wanted to share with you all. So let's wait and see. This is not a recommendation, it is just an observation which I am sharing with you all. Let us all wait and see if this analysis goes right or not. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Even if you go out, please wear masks and maintain social distancing so that everybody is safe. So if you like the channel or the video, please subscribe my channel and share it. Thank you.